Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use shape mask creativity in Picsart. So to do that, open your Picsart application, then tap on the plus icon here to start a new project. Then you tap on see all so that you can see all the photos in your gallery. So I'll quickly scroll down here so that I can look for the photo I want to edit. Okay, so let's assume I've selected that photo there. Okay, so I think let me select a photo instead of a video. Okay, I go back to see all, then I scroll down. So I want to select a photo instead of a video so that I can show you the shape mask creativity. Okay, all right, so I'll select this photo here of these small bears. All right, so after selecting the photo, to see the shape mask creativity, you can scroll this side. So I'll scroll this side. Yes, scroll this side like this until you see shape mask. Okay, so shape mask is over here. So what the shape mask can do, it can basically focus on something you want. So let's assume I want to focus on the face of this bear here. So I can put the face there, then I try to zoom it like that so the shape mask can fit it there. So I've picked the circular shape as you can see. Then I can also increase the opacity so that I can make it dark like that. Okay, so after that you can choose any shape you want, triangle, heart, circular, anything, even this one. Right, so after that you can basically come and tick here, then you save. Okay, so that's how to use shape mask creativity in Picsart. Thank you for watching guys. We shall meet in the next video.